Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. As you can see, Corvus OS, which is based on Android version 11, Corvus OS 14 with the latest security patch of 5th of February 2021 is here, and we've installed it on our Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's a Mia tool build. It's available for Redmi Note 8 also, as you can see, and I have installed that one. I cannot show you right now, but yes, I tried that and it's working perfectly fine. Features are almost same here, so I thought I should review it on one device, which is right now we have the Mi tool device, Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's available for Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Poco M2 Pro also. So if you're using any of these devices, you can install that. I'm using it for some time and didn't got any major issues. It's an official build for Redmi Note 9 Pro, or you can say Mi tool devices. It's working just perfectly fine. Let's take a look at some little bit of things which you get in this latest Corvus OS. First of all, here if you go for the settings, as you can see, we have this Google Apps build right now I have installed on my device. But if I go for the home settings, we didn't got the Pixel launcher pre-installed. It has the app locker option and some extra options like developer options, etc., but didn't come with the Pixel launcher pre-installed even if you use the Google Apps build. So it's kind of a little bit of disadvantage for my kind of users. I personally love to use the Pixel launcher a lot, so unfortunately it's not available, but it's not a big thing to do. We have a lot of cool kind of quick settings options available which you can customize in settings also. It's just up to you. If you move on to other things, let me show you some kind of speed. If you go for the app opening, app closing animation, as you can see, these are quite smooth here. Very smooth app opening and app closing animations. Even the smoothness is good also. If you go for the home settings, you can also apply a custom icon pack, but let me show you a thing which I got to know. As you can see, after applying the custom icon pack, I got to face this issue, which is, I'm not sure about a big issue, but yes, it's kind of an issue. You cannot able to use the icon pack. Maybe it's just in my case, but yes, I got this issue by applying custom icon pack 2 or 3 times, but it was not working. I didn't try to reboot, but maybe it should work without even rebooting your device. If it is not working, it's kind of a bug. So in my case, I faced this bug. You might also face this bug. You can try changing launcher, or you can try not using the icon packs if you don't want to. By default, icon packs are working perfectly fine here. Let me show you some other things about this build. If you go for this, we have the Dolby Atmos. It is not available for the Redmi Note 8 users actually. It's only available for the Mi tool devices, which means Redmi Note 9s, and you already know about that. It has the Dolby Atmos pre-installed, Dolby Audio actually pre-installed, which is working perfectly fine also. I tried to install many apps, and as you can see, the smoothness, etc., is perfectly fine. The multitasking is smooth enough for daily use. As you can see, Raven's Layer and Raven's theme, and Raven's Layer has a new kind of UI. As you can see, customizations at its best, and there are many customizations. You can already understand about that. Raven's theme options are also available. As you can see, we have many fonts, icon shapes, status bar, quick settings icons, and you can do a lot of things. Switch styles options are available here too. Corvus OS always come with many customizations. Status bar icons, as you can see, we have filled, rounded, circular, etc., etc., etc. Battery backup, etc., seems to be really interesting one also. After using it for some time, didn't got any major issues. 1 hour 30 minutes from 60%, so that's kind of a really good display, etc. Every menu has now redesigned kind of animations, so this looks really interesting one also. Live display, screen timeout, etc. If you go for sound, and here you can see the new kind of animations available everywhere. This has many new changes. It also comes with new kind of security logo, and we also have the fingerprint and facial unlock. Both of the things are working. Also, it includes the app lock in the home launcher, so it has almost the same things, and almost all the required things are available. Xiaomi parts also includes the smart charging and Cell Linux related things. Xiaomi doors. Some features might not be available for the Redmi Note 8 users, but yes, FPS info overlay, etc. These are very interesting features which you get here. A very interesting kind of build for you to use as your daily driver. If you go for the Raven's Layer, let me show you some bit of things which you get here, like the ambient options, battery charging related things. Gestures has the same kind of features. The features does not include the much new things. If you go for the previous kind of builds, we have the same kind of features available everywhere. But yes, only the UI is kind of redesigned. But if you want to use it, you can use it on your device. It's just up to you. Link for this build is in the description. If you want to install this on Redmi Note 8 or any of your Mi tool device, you can install that, and all of the things I have already shown you. As you can see, clock options, etc., has same kind of things options available. these were the things I just wanted to let you know. I hope you like this. As always, if you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. This is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye.